Sometimes the city life just gets a little too crazy, and the suburbs sometimes don't do it for us either. So a lot of my clients sometimes want that more peaceful setting, a little bit more of a country setting. And in this video today, you're gonna see a little bit over 1 acres on this specific property that is custom built by a small local builder. This one in particular is actually available at the moment. So let's go through it together. Let's take a look. And I want to hear from you guys what it is that you love about this property.
If you need some space and you want to get away because you're just tired of the suburban life, this is the house that you want to take a look at. We're saying a little bit over 1 acre, and it's going to be the solution to all your problems. So we start off with this front porch. It already kind of setting the tone for that country feel. But one of the things I want you really to pay attention to is the ceiling of the front porch. Look at those cedar plank, beautiful stain. And you continue looking at the front of the yard. It's when I turn the camera, and you're going to get that neighborhood feel of this particular community because we only have 10 lots in this particular neighborhood. Very low HOA. I think it was about 300 a year if I'm not mistaken. And folks, you're actually allowed to have about 8 roosters in your territory, in the actual land if you like. Getting into the inside of the home, you notice the white trim over there, beautiful design, and the crown molding on the very top. You're going to see that being consistent as we continue walking through the video. And you got the chef's kitchen. This is where the heart of the home is. And how beautiful is this? You got those beautiful finishing touches, lots of cabinets stretching all the way from to the top of the ceiling. You got those little window openings as well at the very top. I love that look. Stainless steel appliances with the oven, the cooktop there, and you're going to see the farmhouse sink is also stainless steel appliances. If you can pay very close attention to the countertops, you got those beautiful veins kind of going through those countertops where it has like that light gray type of design to it, where it's not too crazy visible, but still you can kind of see it where it kind of gives it that elegant touch. Lots of counter space, like I mentioned before. You got those custom wood beams all the way to the ceilings. Those stretch all the way into the living room. And as we walk into the living room, you're going to see that electric fireplace, whitewashed brick with that beautiful mantle. And the ceilings up there, you still continue seeing that wood beam look, kind of carrying on that rustic look that this beautiful new construction home gives you. Get that open floor plan. I mean, you can't get really much more open than this. And it's just an absolute beautiful view with the recessed lighting. Check out that kitchen island. You got a couple of chairs that actually fit there so that if you don't want to sit in the dining area and you just want to have a quick meal at the kitchen island, you can absolutely do so because there's plenty of space there. And then you got that little beautiful mantle over there over on top of that oven. I love that look as well. Check out the storage space, guys. You know I had to show you this. Lots of space for pots and pans. When you close it, it does have that soft close feature to it. So that's just a little detail that sometimes we take for granted until we actually live in a home. This is the dining room. It's not the huge dining room. So if you're looking for those long tables, I guess you could probably fit it if you're sitting it kind of like in a vertical way. But other than that, I think a round table works perfectly for that space. Lots of natural light. We're going to get into that back area here towards the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. But as we continue walking, let me go ahead and introduce myself. I'm Jose Mejia, a realtor in the Tampa Bay area. Love showing these new construction homes. This is what a lot of my clients typically want. And this is a little bit different today because we're actually walking into something that is not a big builder type of community. This is more of a small town local builder, and I love them because you typically find just a little bit more finishings than what you typically do with other builders until you find out that you have to pay an arm and a leg close to $1 million, where this one is actually sitting in the, I would say, low to mid 600s. But guys, this is, once this one's gone, it's gone, or you're going to have to find it somewhere else because, again, they don't build a lot. And when they do, it's in a particular lot, and it's something that most people probably don't have in the neighborhood. So it's kind of one of those rare items that you kind of need to move on when you do like it. You got the walk-in shower. You did notice a tub a little bit early on when I was talking. And then you got the double vanity sink. We are in the closet. Plenty of space, I would say. Don't you agree? Yes, I think so. A lot of natural daylight coming into the bedroom. You are looking at the backyard. So that's what this particular room is facing. When we get to the other 3 bedrooms, you're going to notice that they're actually in front of the home. You got the washer and dryer room with a sink right there. The washer and dryer is not included, but you can go ahead and bring whatever you have because it will fit there. And then you got the half bathroom right here. This is perfect for your guests so that when they're leaving, you can just tell them to take a quick right and on your way outside the door, right? Here's bedroom number 2. This is facing the front of the home. You see the porch area right there. And then right when we leave this room, you're going to see the bathroom and then the 3rd bedroom. Beautiful space. Love how they're all kind of very much close to each other. And then if you notice, one thing that we haven't really talked about is those floors. Those are actually all tile floors that run throughout the whole house. Beautiful touches. Lots of volume. You got about 9.5-foot ceilings. We're going to get into the 4th bedroom. And you're going to see that's just on the other side right here with the closet. They have it dressed up as like a little office area, but you can definitely use it as a bedroom. A little bit over 1 acre in this particular home. You got about 2376 square feet heated. As I mentioned before, you got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and half a bathroom. This is a 2024 new construction home, custom. It's one of the very few that you can ever find from this particular builder. When we get into the back, you're going to see that it's a covered patio in the rear. You're going to have that same cedar plank ceilings there. Boom, there you go. And then I'm going to make sure that I show you just enough where you can see how much space this backyard has. I mean, look at that view. Peaceful, it's cleared. You really don't have to do anything back there other than bring your toys, bring your stuff. If you have an RV, if you have a boat, you can absolutely park it there if you like. Because guess what, guys? You don't have anyone telling you what you can put there and what you can't. That space belongs to you. Let me know what you love about this particular home. I want to see it in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see some of the other videos that come in the future.